A couple of you are asking about the nursery, so I wanted to just make a quick video to show you guys around. Here is their room. There's her whelping box where she'll have puppies. She already lays in here quite a bit. Cute little pictures. She brings her stuffed babies in here and lays down with them, so she's the sweetest. This is the cage I had built for them. I absolutely love it. Keeps me nice and organized because they have so much stuff. All the breeding supplies are in here. Not breeding, birthing supplies are in here. What's down here? Their grooming stuff. Miscellaneous toys, and their pool is in here. Yeah, this is it. We love this room. We spend a lot of time in here together. I put a TV in here so they can, I turn on Animal Planet for them whenever I leave. But this is it. That's what it looks like. It turned out good, I think. I love it.
I'm so hungry. I need food. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. What it do? I'm hungry. I'm really hungry. I'm hungry. I need something in my stomach. I'm so hungry.
Let me see your babies. Let me see your babies. Oh, hi. You got babies in there? Oh, they look so good. Good morning, baby puppies. Yeah.